On March 5, 2024, an officer conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle for an obstructed license plate.
How you doing?
How are you?
Good. Can you roll down this back window, please?
There's a bunch of stuff that's gonna fall out, but
Oh, it will? Okay, okay. You can put it back up. You can put it back up. I couldn't see it. Your tint was so dark. There it goes. Do you have a driver's license on you? How you doing, sir?
this
Good.
is expired. I do have an expired.
Okay, sounds good.
It's just broken in half.
Yeah, that's fine. Sir, do you have an ID on you?
Yes, sir.
215. Is there canine in the cell phone?
Also, I need that for Corinthians, trying to get C4, trying to get return 83.
34. They're too far out.
What did you say?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I don't know what you have in your bag, and I feel very uncomfortable with you keep on digging in there. Do you mind not digging in your bag, please?
ID, of course.
I got you. So you do have a license, though?
Yeah.
Okay. Sir?
It's expired.
Okay, that's your ID? Okay, cool. So where are you from, ma'am?
Okay.
California? All right. You do have a California valid driver's license? Okay, you do? All right. Do you want to step out for me real quick? I want to figure out your driver's license situation, okay?
What do you mean?
Because I want you to step out of the car. You're not going to? 215, another unit, refusing to step out of the vehicle. You ain't going to step out of the vehicle?
Why can't I stay in the car for you to look at my license? Excuse me.
Step out of the vehicle. I ain't playing this game. Just do what? Step out. Step out. Hands behind your back. Keep your hands behind your back. Face it from the door.
Just to clarify, Pennsylvania versus Mims gives you the right to pull the driver out of the vehicle. Now, there is nothing in Pennsylvania versus Mims where it says you can pull the driver out of the vehicle because you can't see in the vehicle because he or she has tinted windows. The mere fact that traffic stops are inherently dangerous, that in itself, you can pull a driver out of a vehicle. You don't need furtherance. And I think that's very important, Mark, because I think people think that you have to give a reason, even though a lot of people say, even though you can, should you? And the answer to that question is yes, you should. You should, because the Supreme Court has already established that because traffic stops are inherently dangerous, officers have that right for the safety of the officer and the driver. So there is no need for furtherance. There is no need to say, because she had tinted windows, I pulled her out of the car. Because I was in a gang area, I pulled him out of the car. Because I was in a drug, you don't need it.